In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size and announcement bar on Shopify Dawn theme. If you're using the Dawn theme and want your announcement bar to be more readable or to stand out a bit more, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. No code needed. The announcement bar is that slim strip at the very top of your store where you might display a promotion, shipping update, or a short message. We'll keep this simple and make sure the change looks great on your storefront. First, sign into your Shopify account to open your Shopify admin. This is where all store settings live. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and select Online Store. That takes you to the Themes area where you manage the look and feel of your storefront. Make sure you're working on the Dawn theme here. Next, open the theme editor by choosing Edit Theme or Customize, depending on the button label you see. This loads a live preview of your shop on the left with a settings panel on the right. You'll be making all your changes from this editor and seeing them update in real time in the preview. Now in the preview pane, click the announcement bar at the very top of the page, specifically the text inside it. Clicking directly on that text is the quickest way to jump to the correct settings. If you have more than one announcement block, click the one you want to adjust so the right-hand panel focuses on that block. With the announcement block selected, look to the right-hand panel for the typography section, find the size option, then click it, and choose the text size you want. As you change the size, watch the preview update instantly so you can judge how it looks with your current message and layout. Pick a size that remains legible, especially for longer text. Bigger isn't always better. Ensure the line fits neatly without wrapping awkwardly, and maintain good contrast with your background color for accessibility. A few tips as you decide: medium sizes usually balance visibility and space, while larger sizes are great for short, high-impact messages like a limited time offer. If you're showing multiple announcements, keep sizes consistent so that your header doesn't appear jumpy. Also, consider how the text will feel on mobile screens. The theme generally scales it, but it's smart to choose a size that reads comfortably across devices. That's it. You've adjusted the announcement bar text size in the Dawn theme using the built-in controls, and your change will reflect in the live preview. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your storefront's look with confidence.